She always does that shit. Oh, she's so shiny. Look at that bitch. You gotta take it easy, it's still break-in period. I bet you got a lot of looks.
Yeah, that guy in the drive-thru, that was the thing.
Yeah.
Is this Mike's Mustang? I was like, yeah. He goes, I'm gonna tell him you're eating in it.
You were what?
Eating in it.
Oh, hell no.
Because it must be a treat to drive it. I was like, oh yeah.
Yeah. No one else drives it.
He said V6 Camaro.
The coyote. So clean in here. Start. Second day for the car. Man, it sounds good. Last night I spit shined the interior so it is immaculate. Looks really good. And the car sounds fantastic right now. I'm telling you, I don't hear one noise. Like I said in my previous video, I just want what I bought. I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing extra. I just want what I bought. So, all right, let's get on with it. As you can see, my car is here. It is running beautifully, and man, I'm just a happy camper. I'm just starting this video out like this because I want to. I definitely need tires. That's one thing I've been noticing since I had the car back. Good Lord, man, it sounds so good. I just can't get over how good it sounds, how it's running, just how sleek it looks. I am breaking it in, so can't really do much on that front, but that's okay. Right now I'm just enjoying driving it, and I know I got like 3 or 4 more weeks of driving to work. I do about 275 miles a day or a week driving to work, and you know, at that rate it's going to take me about 4 weeks, maybe 3.5, and I will be good to go. So anyways, I'm going to get back to the family time, and we'll be back in a few. See you then. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's good to see you guys. I'm just making this video real quick to give you guys a quick update on my car. Today is Tuesday evening, so I've had the car 5 days, so today's the 5th day. We'll check the miles here in a minute, see how many miles I got on it. Actually, whatever miles it says, I actually have like about 30 miles on it before I remember to reset the trip counter, and but that's okay. I'm just gonna run it to 1,000. I really don't believe I need to break it in that far, but that's what I'm gonna do. So far, I've only had the car up to like about 3,800 RPMs. As you saw from the opening clip, my wife got on a little bit there, but I mean, you got to have some variation and stuff, and she never, you know, takes it up super high. You remember, the exhaust was modified, so the car sounds louder than what it's actually doing. I cannot wait to reach my 1,000 miles and, you know, get on a little bit and see what's going on with it right now. But the car sounds really good. I did get the report. The dealership, when I reached out to them a few days ago, they responded immediately, sent me the missing paperwork that I didn't have, and we're going to go over that here in a second. First thing I want to say is, man, I missed the car. You just don't realize how badass it is. If you guys saw that opening clip with my wife, man, how when the car's cleaned up, I just think it's the best looking car in America. Now, I tell you that Chevy Camaro ZL1 with the raised up hood scoop, or the island hood scoop as I like to call it, that's a fine looking car too. I'd be proud to own that one too. But anyways, we'll go ahead and see how many miles the car's got on it real quick, and after we do that, we will go over this paperwork. What do you guys say? I'm going to spin you around here real quick. Let's go ahead and get inside the car and see how many miles I got on it. Turn the accessories on. Okay, that is overall, that's the old engine. We went over that before. This engine here, 214 miles, 22 miles per gallon. You can obviously see that I'm babying it. So let's hear what she sounds like. Take the key out of my pocket. It is still white as a mouse. That's all I can hope for, man. I need to do my part, and hopefully she stays that way. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking, and let me shut this thing off since it is quite loud. I know what some of you guys are thinking, like, well, what if it comes back and you're gonna look like, you know? But listen. There was something actually wrong with my car. There was engine damage on my particular car. I can't speak for every car that has an engine tick, but what I can say is I had actual problems. And if you guys watch any of my older videos, you guys know that the car just sounded absolutely terrible. It was terrible. Very embarrassing, all that good stuff. So let's get down to the report on my car. Just gonna put this on my tripod. There we go. Hopefully you guys can still see me. So anyway, back to the car, the report. So I'll just read you the whole thing, and you guys can go from there, because I know everybody's curious. Customer states that the vehicle is losing oil but does not see any visible oil leaks, which is true. Checked oil level. It was at the very lower end of the hash mark. Noticed the oil was very contaminated, copper colored, and full of metal. Noticed engine noise at idle when cold, loud. Lower end noise gets less noticeable when warm, but still present. Now, if you let the car run long enough, it'll end up getting loud again. That's okay. Drain the oil and verified oil contamination. Hotlines said to remove the oil pan. Found gouging at the bottom of cylinder 3 and multiple rod bearings scored to a point that they were felt. Prior app for long block. That's the wording on the first page. And on the second page, removed and replaced long block, replaced all associated hardware and gaskets, topped off all fluids, performed crank position relearn, test drove approximately 20 miles, which when I looked at my mileage, when I took the car in and when it left, it went about 18 miles, so that's accurate. No further issues at this time. Also had to reinstall subframe when it was lowered to remove oil pan. New hardware installed. So that's pretty much the gist of this paperwork. And then you got, service engine assembly 1, manifold assembly inlet 1, gasket 2, nut quantity 16, stud quantity 16, gasket 1, nut quantity 2. And it's got the what nut it is and the number on it and stuff. Bolt and washer assembly hex quantity 4, tube assembly 1. So it goes on and on, but the main gist of this is there was engine damage in this engine. Quiet right now. Fingers crossed, guys, because I want to find out what this is all about just as much as anybody else. I'm still a Ford guy, man. I think they put out quality products. I don't know what the issue is with some of these cars. I don't think it's widespread. I really don't. Maybe it is, I don't know. I can only speak for myself, and having said that, so far so good. So I will give you guys another update probably right before I hit 1,000 miles, maybe sooner. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, man. I need the help. Do what you can do. Help a brother out. Thank you guys for watching. And peace.
Whoa. Okay. That was looking. Stop that.